Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to import YouTube video in CapCut. Let's get started. First, you need to download the YouTube video you want to edit. Then you can use a YouTube downloader website or app. Just copy the video link, paste it, and save it to your phone's gallery. Next is go to your CapCut and tap New Project. Then add the video you just downloaded. Then once it's imported, you can now trim the video, crop, add text, or add music or effects. And after that, export the video when you're done editing. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.